Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we want to show you our branding visual Posfana. Before that, we want to introduce ourselves. I'm Aisyah Fitri as a leader and website designer.
I'm Adele as copywriter and UX researcher.
I'm Afifa as brand analysis and mood board designer.
I'm Festiva Dia as UI and logo designer.
And I'm Salsa as copywriter and report writer.
First, we have the branding strategy. In this rebranding of Posfana, we aim to present the modern and clean design but still make it friendly so it can connect well with our target audience. Next, the SWOT analysis. This is the result of our analysis branding of Posfana, and it really helps us to identify the brand strengths and areas for improvement. Then we have the logo mind map. This is where our logo ideas come from. We start from gathering several logos and finally agree on two words that we felt easiest to develop into a logo concept.
Next is photo and illustration reference. We use the food stall reference and people handshake is for the illustration reference. We choose because we want to visualize the MSME or micro, small, and medium enterprise and others. Next is alternate logo. These are the 5 logo that we created for the selection and use for the Posfana's logo. There are 5 design logo. Next is the testing logo. The first logo is combination of the letter P and A that visualize a people handshake with the average score is 5. Next is the combination of a letter P and the people handshake in the middle of the letter P with the average score is 5. Next is a visualization for a food stall roof, and under the food stall roof is a people handshake with the average score is 2 for 5 for comprehension, 3 for memorability, and 4 for effective association. The next logo is visualize a handshake enclosed in the letter of the letter O, and then with average score is 5. And the last logo is visualization of the handshake mode into the letter P with a 3 for 5 average score balance for the comprehensions. Next is 5 for memorability and 4 and 5 for effective association. Next is copywriting formula, tone of voice, and tagline draft. Our tagline for Posfana is teman setia untuk bisnis Anda. For the copywriting formula, we use FAB formula because we want to introduce outstanding features from the Posfana, which is a real-time stock and the faster transaction and allows the report automatically. Next is tone of voice. For the media we use is a website with a persuasive, friendly, and clear tone. For the characteristic tone is inviting and provide solutions. And then for the call to action we use ayo segera pilih paketmu dan jadikan bisnismu lebih efektif.
Okay, next, interactive digital media concept draft. Our project is cashier application website. The purpose is to help the cashier handle payment transaction. The target audience is a culinary business owner who needs easy transaction, such as UMKM in Batam. This is a concept design for interactive digital, such as navigation menu, action button, menu profile, search bar, pagination control, CTI buttons, and sidebar navigation to make it easy to access the application feature. Okay, next, draft interface layout from wireframe to design. There is a home page for promotional display, a cashier for quick transaction, and inventory management for material management, all designed with clean, communicative, and informative visual. Okay, next, wireframe implementation draft, user persona. Mr. Gema is the owner of a food stall who wants to manage his finance and inventory efficiently with Posfana. The challenges are media media adaptation and data input consistency. With this system, he can monitor sales and inventory more accurately, so making his business more organized and modern.
Okay, this is our empathy map. We use logical assumption and suggestive of how user views Postfana from says, thinks, does, and feels. And this is our user story we create based from empathy map. And here we also try to imagine of what cashier's perspective describing the cashier want and benefit they experience. And this is information architecture of Postfana, starting from the homepage, which include navigation option such as home, feature, pricing, business, more option, login, and sign up. Below that, we've outlined the page that appear when each menu item is selected. And this is the user flow of Postfana, starting from the homepage where users can log in and sign up, followed by each process flow leading up to successful payment, and it's designed to provide a clear overview by each step from start to finish.
Okay, next there is a text flow from Postfana which contain the flow of various features from Postfana website, and this is illustration in designing our website. Okay, next there is concept for exhibition that will be held by our class with the theme Innovation and Imagination Imaginarium, and has been divided into several divisions.
This is my portfolio. I have a bit experience in voiceover, and I interest in broadcasting and also a graphic design.
Next is portfolio. This is my portfolio. I have a good skill on a graphic designer, such as a social media like Instagram feed or Instagram story and a magazine.
Okay, next, this is my portfolio. I'm interested in visual design and illustration. In addition on studying, I'm also active as an extracurricular coloring teacher in elementary school, which help sharpen my creativity and visual communication skill. But sometimes I have to learn to be confident in convey idea and manage time better. My project include participating in media workshop, design documentation, and as a short film video editor.
And here's my portfolio. I have a good skill of graphic design and always keep up with current trend. And I'm also good at managing my time and doing multiple tasks efficiently. But I'm also struggle with communication and expressing ideas smoothly. And my best project is social media design project for Stick Restaurant and motion graphic that I create last semester.
Okay, this is my portfolio. I'm interested in copywriting and photography, but I'm still not confident enough about my abilities, so I have to develop my skills. And there are some works that I have done. Okay, last is indoor exhibition risk mitigation, which is divided into 3 stages from pre-production to post-production, and this is very useful to avoid a potential risks during the event process.
That's it presentation from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.